Hello guys, so welcome guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this free crypto airdrop that is going to actually do well. And for a good news to you guys is that this airdrop, they are current partners with what Bitget wallet, and they are also giving out free ton. I already made a video on how you can get free ton for this airdrop, but now I want to talk on how you can actually effectively farm this airdrop and make sure you position yourself. So first of all, if you're a beginner for this airdrop, it's going to appear like this on your screen. I've been farming it for a while now, so it's going to appear like this on your screen. So what you just need to do is to just tap on what starts. Once you tap on start, it's going to load. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Let me know where you are watching from. Drop a comment, drop your country flag or whatsoever place you're watching from, and ensure you check the description box, because I'll be dropping the link to this airdrop and how you can start farming it immediately. Now, as I told you guys, you see their key. Look at what is on my screen. They are key partners with Bitget wallet. So let me also scroll down. You can see they are key partners with Bitget wallet. Now, how can you farm this coin? Now you can see there is this coin name is Capybara meme. This is not Capybara Nation. For those that might be making mistake, there is Capybara Nation and there's Capybara meme. So this is Capybara meme. It's a different airdrop entirely, and this actually looks more good and is stress free. Now if you come to this airdrop, now there are different icons here. So these are the activities you'll be doing here. Number one, you just click on daily check-in. If you click on daily check-in, and this is what is going to happen. If you tap on daily check-in, they are going to be giving you 500 Capybara points. Now if they give you this 500 Capybara point, the next thing for you to do is to stake it. Now there are different tags here. If you engage in all these tags, they will give you this Capybara points. Now at the end, after I finish this video, I will go and do these tags and you earn points. As you can see, as I made this daily check-in, you can see guys, I actually earn free Capybara points. Now if I go to promote them on Twitter, what I'm going to do there on Twitter, if I click on Twitter login now, is to maybe just like and comment on their post. But I won't be doing that for now, so I won't consume time. If I type here, I've claimed it now actually, because I'll still later go on and do it. Now look at all these other tags for you to do and earn more points. Now the juicy part is this. Now for this airdrop, you are going to actually be knowing what you are going to be allocated, like your airdrop allocation. You know how many of the coin you have actually farmed. And this is how you go to it. Just go to this star option. It's at the middle. So if you go to the star option, you are going to see stake. So once you stake the Capybara points, it's going to give you the Capybara token itself. You understand? So you can see they have been staking. There are rounds of different staking. They have done round 1. They are currently in round 13, and it's just 5 days left for this round 13. So if I stake these points, now you can see I'm already staking, and I've staked 32,000 of the points, and say I've earned Capybara itself 104. Now see, now let me stake this 1,000 points. So this is what you are going to be doing. After you finish farming, after you finish engaging on all the tasks, it will give you points. Now you come and tap on these stars to see if there is any round for staking, and you stake and earn. So once you stake and earn, so this is how it's going to look like. Now so far so good. I just have 447 of this Capybara meme token itself. Now so after the daily check-in, so the next thing for you to do is to now look at the next thing for you to do is to also make sure you invite your friends. Don't hide such information like this. Invite your friends so that they can stay positioned. And I'm going to be dropping, if you have not yet farming it, the link will be in the description box, so you start farming it. And my Telegram link will also be in the description box as well, because that's why I post a lot of airdrop for you to actually start farming and actually position yourself on time before I go ahead to make our tutorial videos. Now the next thing for you to do is to connect your wallet. Now you are going to be connecting a ton wallet to this account. Now let me just go here for connect. If I go here, they are going to see, if I say I want to connect to a ton wallet, if I tap on connect, you see there are 3 basically wallets they are making approval of. There is Bitget wallet, there is OKX wallet, and there is ton wallet. Now the difference between for OKX, now OKX is actually not approved in Nigeria, but they are Web3 wallets. We can make use of their Web3 wallet. So but I would just advise you just make use of Bitget wallet. It's very simple. So just download the Bitget app after opening an account. simply you just come here and tap connect wallet. So once you tap on this BitGet, I'm not going to be tapping on it now because I already connected to BitGet. So you know you are only allowed to have just one BitGet account. So but for you that want to connect now, this is how you're going to do it. You just tap on connect and you tap on the BitGet wallet icon. It will load on your BitGet wallet, and you hold on for a little while and it will connect itself automatically within just few seconds, and you come back to this app. Now the next thing for you to do while farming this airdrop is to what, like I said again, I say you ensure you check in daily, ensure you want to do daily, you do all these stacks, because with these stacks you'll be able to earn points that you're going to stake, and you also want to invite your friends. So you see, this airdrop is very simple. It's not a tapping project, something that you need to be tapping all the time. So it's very easy, guys. So ensure what you engage in this airdrop. So guys, make sure what you like, you comment and subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching this video from. Ensure what you subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.